On our USD Swiss franc, we will start our analysis from top bottom time frame. So from our daily time frame to our 1 hour and 4 hour time frame to 1 hour time frame. So pay attention closely on this. Now see our USD Swiss franc of a recent. We are starting to have a very rally movement upward on our USD Swiss franc. See this huge massive movement here, and we add this correction here. Once we add this correction, it was then I took my trade on my USD Swiss franc. So if you were following, you would have known how we took this trade and where we are currently now. So back to the matter, USD Swiss franc rally bullish movement upward. We saw a correction, right? What are we expecting? A very massive bullish movement upward on our USD Swiss franc. So that is exactly what we are going to be seeing throughout this week. I bet it with you. Our USD Swiss franc will actually push up massively this week. Let's see if it will take out this ice, possibly to take out this size, but I decided to take my take profit around here, right? So I decided to opt out of the trade around this key level here, but I believe it will actually rally up to this ice here. It will be able to rally up, but I just decided to actually take my take out my trade out on my USD Swiss franc. So if in case it does not really tap out, at least you should be able to tap around this key level here. So that is it on our USD Swiss franc on our daily time frame. So daily time frame, we are expecting a bullish move. So on this our 4 hour time frame and 1 hour time frame is how to actually take the trade. See it on our 4 hour time frame, by the way. This 4 hour time frame, we all can see it as an uptrend move. So I mean, if you are to fix our 10 period moving average there, we will see that the price is above the 10 period moving average. See higher highs, impulse and correction, impulse move correction, impulse move correction. So of recent, I think we are kind of ranging around this area here. Once our price came to this area, it drops, by the way. So basically we are seeing price ranging within this area. So if you want to enter this trade, if you clearly want to enter this trade, then I will advise you wait for this price to break above this hourly highs here, this long week high, so which is about 0.97080. So if our price can actually break above 0.9708, then you can actually now take your trade on our USD Swiss franc. So USD Swiss franc, we are still aiming to actually rally up on our USD Swiss franc on our daily time frame. But before we actually decide to rally up, then actually wait for price to break above 0.970880. And lastly, our 1 hour time frame, by the way, you can see our price comes to this our level here, which is our resistance level. As it was ranging, it dropped to our support, it climbs up to our resistance, it dropped to our support, now it climbs up to our resistance level here. We are expecting it to drop again to our support, but if in case it does not drop to our support level, if in case if our price should break above this liquidity highs, as you can see on our 1 hour time frame, then take the buy position. If not, we very much likely will be getting a drop on our USD Swiss franc for the day.